Hello everyone, welcome back to the series where I am making an e-commerce website using Django Oscar library. This is the sixth part of the series, and in this video we will be learning how to fork the default Django Oscar app and how to customize it. So let us go ahead. Many parts of Oscar can be customized as per our need, can be controlled by intending or overriding Oscar templates. We have already learned how to customize the Oscar template. The Oscar is highly customizable and extendable framework. Each and every part of the Oscar is customizable right from apps, modules, models, views, URLs to templates. To extend or modify Oscar's app's behavior, we should have our own copy of Oscar apps, that is, it needs to be forked. So, let us know what is meant by forking. Forking means create our own copy of project in our system which can be customized further. First, we will fork the app in our project, that is, let us say we will create a copy of the app in our project and then we will customize it. We can fork the whole app using very simple management command. After forking the app, we are ready to customize the models views of the app by using same name with same path. So let us see what are the different steps we need to follow in order to fork the app in our project. Consider that we want to fork checkout app in our project. So the first step is we need to create apps folder in our root project at the same level of manage.py. We will use makedir apps command to create the new folder. Then the second step is we need to use the Oscar fork apps management command in order to fork the app in our apps folder. This command will create checkout app under our apps folder. So first let us run makedir apps command. You can see that the apps folder is created under our project. Now let us run the command python manage.py Oscar fork app command and mention our app we want to fork, and also we need to add the folder where we want to fork checkout app. So let's hit the enter button and you can see that the checkout app is created under apps folder. Here you can see that there is a line saying replace the entry Oscar apps checkout config with apps checkout configs in installed apps. It means we need to change some lines of code in our settings.py. Instead of Oscar apps checkout apps config, we need to replace this entry with this entry. Let's copy this code and paste it here and save it, and let us rerun our server. And now instead of the checkout app of original Django Oscar library, our customized checkout app is being run on our website. So this is how we can fork the Django Oscar default apps in our project and customize these apps. I hope you learned how to fork the apps in our projects. In the next video, we will be customizing views and models and URLs of these some of the Django Oscar default apps. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.